Hello and welcome back. So today I've got my latest silver-proof purchase to show you. This is the Magna Carta 800th anniversary £2 coin from 2015. I'm super excited to have a look at this. I haven't even got into the box yet, but I don't think I've been in the box yet. I can't remember. Oh no, I have actually. I did. I looked at it on my live stream when it first arrived. Duh. But oh, it has got some information on it. I was about to say, the more recent ones have got more information and stuff around the box. So what does it say? So it's silver-proof. The Magna Carta survived 8 centuries of political and social evolution. It's still recognised as one of the cornerstones of human liberty with far-reaching effects across the globe. It has influenced the Constitution of the United States of America and the Canadian Charter of Rights, and still features in British law today. The resolution to the issues created by the despotic King John, the Magna Carta was created to limit the monarch's power. Over time it has endured justice and freedom for the common man. Neat. Wow. Let's have a look then. So the box is similar to the more recent ones that I have purchased. Let's have a glance at it then. Oh. I must say, the silver-proof £2 are tough to get out of the box. No, the designs, it just looks so cool in silver-proof. See, that's a nice enough coin to find in a £2 coin hunt, let alone in a silver. Very, very cool. We've got the obverse, the Queen 2015. Very, very neat. Can we get any closer to the design? Maybe a little bit more. Grouping in a little bit more. There we go. Stunning. Lovely. Well, I really like that. So what information does it come with then? Zip out a little bit. Well, this was a bit more than usual. The Foundation for Democracy. I'm not going to read through all of it. See if there's anything that jumps out at me though. What's that? I'm not sure. It looks like a seal. As in like a seal you'd have on a letter, not a seal that catches fish. The Charter of Freedoms. Only 3 clauses are still enshrined to law, including the freedom of the church, the liberties and customs of London, and clause 39. No free man shall be seized or imprisoned, or stripped of his rights or possessions, are outlawed or exiled, or we will proceed with force against him. Oh, what's that say? Except by the lawful judgment of his equals, or by the law of the land. To no one will we sell, to no one, or no one deny or delay right or justice. God, that's tricky to read, isn't it? Oh, look. So is that the actual Magna Carta there? Well, not the actual, but what it looks like. Wow. The enduring principle. So the idea of human liberty is a popular notion and is so emotive that the Magna Carta has been recognised by leaders throughout the ages, often featuring in rousing speeches. The Bible of the English Constitution, William Pitt the Elder. The democratic aspiration is no mere recent phase of human history. It is human history. It permeated the ancient life of early peoples. It blazed anew in the Middle Ages. It was written in the Magna Carta. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Winston Churchill. What does it say? Here is a law which above the king, and which even he must... Here is a law which is above the king, and which even he must not break. this reaffirmation of a supreme law and its expression in the General Charter is the great work of the Magna Carta, and this alone justifies the respect in which men have held it. We've got Lord McNally, Minister of State for Justice. I didn't really realise it had an impact on like the American Constitution. Bizarre, isn't it? And we got person who designed the coin, John Bergdahl. I want to include the figures who would have been key players in the formation of the Magna Carta at Runnymede. It was influenced by the art of the medieval period, which was quite uncomplicated and crude, and the ornate cornice and rose carvings echo the architecture of the era. Reflecting the time the Magna Carta was created, the inscription uses a medieval style font that surrounds the design and is the inscription on King John's royal seal did in the Middle Ages. Well, that's pretty neat, isn't it? Nice bit of information there. And then inside the box, what number did we get? We got number 2791, so a fairly high one. How many were minted though? Only 3,000. Wow, that's low. So does it say what's around the rim? Doesn't say what the edge inscription is, does it? Fair enough. That's cool. Well, I've really enjoyed looking at that one. Let's have another look at the coin before we wrap up. But wow, I really like that. Well, all that leaves me to do now is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.